Hi guys, and welcome to the video. Now, over the next 3 days, I'm going to be giving you some free gifts. Different free gifts every day for the next 3 days. Now, you've got full master rights to those gifts, which means you can resell, you can give away to build your list, you can repurpose, you can rebrand, and do whatever you want with those downloads. And there is no opt-in required. Scroll down directly to the bottom of the page and you will find your downloads there. Now, also over the next 3 days, I'm going to be telling you about some very, very special bonuses that I have for you in November. Some of the bonuses are very limited. They're very unique. Done nothing at all like this before. So on the 10th of November, this is the first package that I have come in. I've got a lot of other bonuses on the 10th of November, but I just wanted to tell you about this, very, very special one. In 2019, I started a little side hustle, side business that is now generating me 7 figures a year. It's an online business, but it's not MMO or anything like that. It's a real business that you can start today. And you obviously follow the training that I'm going to be giving you, hopefully you could generate 7 figures a year like I'm doing. It's a full mentorship program. I'm going to be charging $5 short or $3 short of $3,000. I'm going to be giving 10 places as bonuses on the 10th of November. Now, if you take a look at some of the screen captures I've added onto the page below, you will see some of the income I'm generating, the ad returns I'm getting, the open rates on the email campaigns I'm sending. You'll see how good this is. Now, as I said, it's very limited. There is only 10 places. I'm going to be offering that on the 10th of November. So make sure that you watch out for that. And as I said, it's a real world business. Started as a side hustle. It's now generating 7 figures per year. So make sure that you watch out for that. Now, I'll have a brand new download tomorrow and the day after that as well. And on each of the 3 days, like today, I'm going to be telling you about a brand new bonus that I have for November. These are very special, very unique, something I've never ever done before. So make sure that you watch out for those. So thanks for watching. And watch out for the video tomorrow.